Welcome to this quick guide on how to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. This works on iPhones with Face ID. If your iPhone has a home button, swipe up from the bottom instead. In Control Center, press and hold the section with the airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth icons. This will expand the connectivity panel. Now, tap the AirDrop icon. You will see three options appear. Choose one of the following: Receiving Off, which disables AirDrop; Contacts Only, which allows only your contacts to see your device; Everyone for 10 minutes, which lets anyone nearby send you files. Select your preferred option. AirDrop is now turned on and ready to use. For example, I send a picture from my iPhone to another device by sending photos via AirDrop and accepting it on another Apple device. Pretty simple. To receive files, make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Also, ensure your device is unlocked and the screen is on. Some users are encountering issues with AirDrop. Although it is enabled, it isn't working and devices aren't discoverable. Make sure both devices are within 30 feet, have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and are unlocked. Additionally, verify that AirDrop is enabled and that your devices have the latest software updates. That's it. You've successfully enabled AirDrop on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.